Let us discuss book exercises. Page number 9, question number 4. Suggest a method to liquefy atmospheric gases. Answer. The atmospheric gases can be liquefied by decreasing temperature and increasing pressure. Page number 10, question number 1. Why does a desert cooler cool better on a hot dry day? Answer. We know that on a hot dry day, the moisture is very low and the atmospheric air becomes too hot. The desert cooler is designed in such a manner that as the air passes through its wet pads, its heat is taken by the water to be vaporized and the resultant air becomes cool. Question number 2. How does the water kept in an earthen pot, matka, become cool during summer? Answer. The earthen pots are porous in nature, that is, they have small pores on the surface. The water gets absorbed and then evaporated slowly. We know evaporation is an endothermic process, which means the water particles get heat from the surface to get evaporated. Therefore, the resultant water becomes cool. Question number 3. Why does our palm feel cold when we put some acetone, petrol or perfume on it? Answer. We know that these liquids, acetone, petrol, perfume, are volatile in nature. It means evaporation takes place fast in these liquids and take heat from our palm to evaporate. Due to loss of heat, our palm becomes cold. Why are we able to sip hot tea or milk faster from a saucer rather than a cup? Answer. A saucer has more surface area than a cup. So, evaporation takes place fast as more number of molecules are available for evaporation to make tea cool quickly as compared to a cup. Thus, in a cup, the tea or milk remains hot for a longer time. That is why we cannot sip faster from a cup. Question number 5. What type of clothes should we wear in summer? Answer. We should wear cotton clothes of light color, particularly white cotton cloths in summer. During summer season, we perspire more as compared to other seasons. The cotton cloths absorb more sweat and evaporate easily, which makes our body cool. Moreover, the white color is a good reflector of light and it does not absorb harmful radiations like ultraviolet rays and hot infrared rays. Page number 12, question answers. Question number 1. Convert the following temperature to Celsius scale. A. 293 Kelvin. B. 470 Kelvin. Answer. A. As per the formula, temperature in Celsius is equal to temperature in Kelvin minus 273, which is equal to 293 minus 273, which is equal to 20 degrees Celsius. B. 470 Kelvin. The temperature in Celsius is equal to 470 minus 273, which is equal to 197 degrees Celsius. Question number 2. Convert the following temperature to the Kelvin scale. A. 25 degrees Celsius. B. 373 degrees Celsius. Answer. Temperature in Kelvin is equal to temperature in Celsius plus 273. A. 25 degrees Celsius is equal to 25 plus 273, which is equal to 298 Kelvin. B. 373 degrees Celsius is equal to 373 plus 273, which is equal to 646 Kelvin. Question number 3. Give reasons for the following observations. A. Naphthalene balls disappear with time without leaving any solid. B. We can get the smell of perfume sitting several meters away. Answer. A. As we know that The naphthalene is a volatile solid, that is, it shows sublimation even at room temperature. So, when exposed to air, it slowly diffuses directly into atmosphere and disappears without leaving any solid. B. The perfumes are highly volatile liquid which show high rate of diffusion even at room temperature. So, the perfumes spread up to long distance by mixing with the air and we can smell it from several meters away. Question number 4. Arrange the following substances in order of forces of attraction between the particles. Sugar, water, oxygen. Answer. We know that the force of attraction among the particles increases as gas lesser than liquid lesser than solid. Sugar solid, water liquid, oxygen gas. So, oxygen lesser than water which is lesser than sugar. Question number 5. What is the physical state of water at A. 25 degrees Celsius, B. 0 degrees Celsius, C. 100 degrees Celsius? Answer. Temperature in one column, physical state of matter in another column. A. 25 degrees Celsius liquid state. B. 0 degrees Celsius solid and liquid both can exist. C. 100 degrees Celsius liquid and gaseous state. Question number 6. Give 2 reasons to justify A. Water at room temperature is liquid. B. An iron almirah is a solid at room temperature. Answer. A. Water is liquid as it has properties of liquids and it has boiling point above the room temperature. First one, it does not have any fixed shape. It means it can acquire the shape of the container. Number 2, it has fixed volume. Number 3, it shows fluidity. B. An iron almirah is a solid at room temperature because its melting point is above the room temperature and it has the following properties of the solids. It has a fixed shape and fixed volume. Number 2, it has an open surface. Number 3, it is rigid and incompressible in nature. Question number 7. Why is ice at 273 Kelvin more effective in cooling than water at the same temperature? Answer. The ice absorbs more heat from the surroundings as compared to water at 273 Kelvin. The extra heat absorbed by ice is in the form of latent heat of fusion. Therefore, 273 Kelvin ice is more effective in cooling. Question number 8. What produces more severe burns, boiling water or steam? Why? Answer. The steam releases more heat. This heat is equal to the latent heat of boiling or vaporization. So, we can say that the steam at 373 Kelvin causes more severe burns due to more heat. Question number 9. Name A, B, C, D, E and F in the following diagram showing changes in its state. Look at the diagram. Answer. A. Fusion. B. Vaporization. C. Condensation. D. Freezing. E. Sublimation. F. Sublimation. Students, today's homework: read, understand and write these question answers in your notebook.